You're tired of using beer cans for your overflow? I feel you. You want to look almost factory or better than factory? There's a little hack over here how to do it. The current question is 1964 Impala that never came with an overflow. Came with pretty much just a puke tube on the ground. And this fancy overflow is from wrecked 2000 or maybe 98 Acura Integra. It actually says Honda right over there on the side. I don't know if you could see it. Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. I'm glad you can tune in. So in this video we're going to work on my 64. And what we're gonna do is just, those cars didn't have like overflow tank or anything, they just had a little puke hose. We're gonna build an overflow tank on it. Some that looks almost factory. Just see what we can make it happen, right? Here's what we got. Plumber's tape. Best $2.50 you can buy. Now, we found some, I found a little plastic tank that I had from Acura Integra, I believe, actually. But it is not perfect, so it needs some plastic welding in there. So I'm going to quickly plastic weld it. Thanks. Alright, here's what our weld looks like. Alright, so we filled it up with water. I don't see any leaks besides the water that I spilled. Should be good. Alright, so I relocated the windshield washer by one, so it used to be over here. We moved it to the side a little bit. That way my overflow can fit right in here, right in the middle. Then I got some of that plumber's tape, wrapped it around. And now, let's see if I can get the camera somewhere over here in the engine bay. Let's see if I can squeeze it in just like factory. So it should be pretty close. As you can see, the fit is pretty tight. It's actually the Honda reservoir looks pretty close. Alright, so now let's see if I can get to the spot somehow. Something like that. Okay. So now that's attached. So our bottle's holding on for the dear life. Now we're gonna make a couple plastic wall tabs over here, so it's all holding in place. Alright, so can do about right about here. Look at that, like factory. Hi guys, if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I will definitely appreciate it. Thank you. Hopefully you have a good day. Take care. Almost forgot. Please support your local animal shelters. Right, Bear Bear? Right, Laddie?